Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sports Goods. In its project description, you are the inventory manager for EBL Sports Goods. EBL is a national sporting goods stores with several warehouses. You are currently performing an analysis to determine inventory levels as well as the total values of the inventory on hand. Your last step is to check the report of the duplicate entries and format for printing. That's our project description. And I will provide you help in online courses: computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science. And if you need help in assignments like Excel, Word, Access or PowerPoint, or if you need help in the homework, quiz or exams, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given in the description of this video, or you can comment on this video directly, so I will reply you soon. So now we will move to our first step. Our first step is start, download, open the file Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 inventory. We have already opened this file. I have already opened this file. Our second step is freeze the panes at cell B2 so the column labels don't scroll off screen. So we will select the cell B2. We will go to the view tab. In the freeze panes, we will select the freeze top row. So now you can see our first row is now freezed. When we move downside, our first row will shown on the every page. That's our second step. Our third step is convert the data to a table. Name the table as a inventory 2024. We will copy this one. We will select the data. We will go to the insert. We will go to the table. It's selected. We will press OK. And table name, we will change the table name as inventory 2024. That's our third step. Our fourth step is apply light green table style 18 to the table. We will go to the table design. We will select light green 18, light green table style 18. That is our table style. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to larger, then by department. Create a custom sort order for department so that it displays the sequence: training, athlete appeal, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. So we will go here. We will go to the home tab and we will go to the sort and filter. We will select custom filter. At first, what we need to first sort by warehouse A to Z, then by second order. What is the second order? By unit price. Then we will go to the department. We will go to the custom list. we need to enter the custom list here in this, that is training, athlete, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. I have already added this. If you don't see this, you can add manually by using that. First training, then athletic apparel, then what is next in the footwear, then fitness, then outdoor gear, we need to capital put G, and at the end twice. That's our list. We have added this one. We will press OK, and after that we need to then by unit price, smallest to larger, we'll add a new level by unit price, smallest to larger, and press OK. In this way we have got our sorted list. Now you see training, then athlete, like that. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is the remove the record for the table. Excel should find and remove on duplicate records. So we will go to the data tab now. We will select any cell in the table. We will go to the just data tools and remove duplicates. We will select all and press OK. One duplicate value found and removed. That's our value. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is create an unqualified structure reference in the column G to determine the value of the inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and the amount on hand. So here we will put a formula is equal to unit price multiplied by amount on hand. So we have got our results. We will press enter and we have got our results. That's our 7 steps. We have total 12 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you need information about the remaining steps of this assignment, or you need help about the steps I performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given also on the screen and in the description of this video, or you can just comment on my video, so I will reply you soon. Thank you.